Hi everybody, today we're going to be learning to use PowerPoint. So to begin, we're going to go to our Start menu and open PowerPoint. We'll be greeted with a whole bunch of different choices of theme, and I think I'm going to choose this one. Now that I've got my theme, I'm going to click Create. So here I'm going to put my title, and it's going to be a recipe. So my recipe will be fettuccine Alfredo. And I'm going to put under click to add subtitle my name by Virginia Marks. So I've got my title slide now. So now I'll click new slide. And here we've got our second slide. Click to add title. Fettuccine Alfredo recipe. And see, we've got our handy dandy spell check because I've misspelled a word. So we're going to make sure we're all spelling everything right. And here I'm going to put, this is my recipe. And then I clicked enter, and I would put, let's say, 1/3 cup milk, and so on. And there you have it. If I wanted to create another slide, I would click again on new slide and continue with my recipe. Once I'm done, I'm going to go to File, Save As. I'm going to save it in Documents. And we'll name our file. We'll name it Pasta. And save. And from there, we'll be able to upload it to our platform of choice. And here we can safely click Exit because it's been saved. Thank you.